Hi there, Sandra here from Create in Spain. Today I'm not doing a detailed how-to video, I'm just showing you a very simple card that I've made so that I can give you a little bit of inspiration and a couple of little tips. Now this one is definitely a Christmas card, and although it is a Christmas card, it does not have Merry Christmas on it or Happy Christmas or anything else. Now there is a reason to make cards without a sentiment on the front, particularly for things like Christmas. If you know someone who has been relatively recently bereaved, putting Happy Christmas or Merry Christmas on the front of a card just doesn't seem quite right. You can add whatever personalized message you would like to inside, but putting that standard greeting on the front just doesn't ring true. I mean, they're not going to have a really Merry Christmas if they've been recently bereaved. That is the first thing. If you are making Christmas cards, do make some that don't have the sentiment on the front. Maybe just have some spare sentiments cut out in case you actually do need them at a later point, but try and design some cards that don't need it. The second thing, I have a front panel put on here, which, and I don't know if you can easily see it, has actually got 2 layers of embossing on it. Now I emboss with either card or plastic stencils, and this particular one I embossed with a square, like a window pane stencil first of all, and then I put the dotted stencil on after I had originally stenciled the first design. This gives you a slightly different effect than if you stack up your stencils and then do it all in one go. So it does add a little bit of extra interest to the back panel. The other thing I've done is this front panel here. I have cut out a small piece and raised it up on foam, and it is also got the same dotted pattern on it that this background piece has got. And then I've got 2 little mittens, and these were just a couple of things that, well, one mitten that I designed on my iPad. I printed out a page of mittens to use, and I just fed them into my scan and cut and just got them to cut around the edges. That is what a scan and cut is pretty good at. So to add the very finishing touch, I just put some little metallic decorations around the outside edge. Now if you don't have those but you want to emphasize the edge of your interior piece, you can always either put a little bit of a line around the outside piece itself, or do a little cheat of a drop shadow. Pencil line where your box shape or whatever it is going to go, and then do some alcohol blending from that line outwards. Blend it very softly to create a shadow, and then under certain light it will really make that front panel pop out. So there we go, that is a very, very simple Christmas card. Doesn't take long to do, and once you've made your stencils for your embossing, basically you're ready to go. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again soon. Take care now.